Alright, welcome in today, guys. We are going to do Sonic. I have had so many requests for Sonic, and I keep on requesting my son to come help me out. So, Connor is right over here. Can you do a thumbs up over here?
Right here by my thumb. Right here by the thumb. There's a little thumb. There's a...
Crush it down!
Yeah, crush it down.
Okay, so we are going to do Sonic. So he is super awesome at Sonic. I just took a couple of his drawings. He goes to these notebooks all the time that I always talk about. Here is an awesome Sonic of his. He doesn't even need to practice them. This is one of my favorite one that's hanging up in his room. It is like so super perfect. Kind of our inspiration for today. I got my little picture over here. I'm going to show. There is our Sonic that we're going to try to draw. We are super excited. Say, yes. Yes. What part do we start with first? Okay, so we start with the nose first. Hold on, little speed racer over there. Okay, so we got to have a nose first. So a nose right in the middle. Okay, so we'll start out in the middle. It'll probably be about the size of your hand when you're done. So
right here by 5 inch, like right in my hand.
By the finger? Okay, and what shape is that nose?
Oval.
Yeah, it's kind of like an oval, right?
And then another one inside.
Ooh, another oval inside. Is that like the highlight? That's like where the light catches.
Yeah,
up.
shiny, really
shiny shoes, shiny
Cool.
nose and cheeks.
Alright, what next?
Alright, I start with the mouth.
Ooh, that was kind of a cool curvy line. Alright, so that's kind of like, kind of goes down and then up and then back around.
Yep.
Like that. Okay, cool.
Then,
It's like a little hot dog kind of.
yeah, because he likes chili dogs.
He does like
And-
chili dogs. That's like his favorite food. We're going to do a smile?
Yes.
Oh, he's got a little smirk. A little
Get
smile.
to the top.
A little line on there. And then a little cheek line, right?
Yeah, it's like
Okay.
a smile.
He is. Cool. Okay, what else? What's next?
This is the hard part.
Ooh, what's the hard part?
The
Eyes, like?
Yeah.
Okay, his little eye sockets.
Alright.
So it kind of goes up, down, and back around. Up,
It's kind of hard.
down, and back.
I'm gonna erase this. I made an accident.
That's okay. Okay, what part next?
Eyes.
Now we gotta put some eyes in.
And you know.
And eyes are kind of like oval shape, right?
Yeah. Then another one in.
Yep, they got another little one kind of inside. Ooh, I like yours. Oh, and you're kind of coloring them in. Yep, that's okay too. We'll go over in Sharpie, but you can color it in if it kind of gives you a little hint or an idea. Get it? An idea, because we're talking about eyes.
Get it? An idea? Because we're talking about eyes.
Eyes.
Okay, what next?
You know, like we start with the head. You
Like
know,
his
like
head?
like our heads.
Mm-hmm.
But he's a hedgehog, and
He is a hedgehog. Okay.
Yeah.
You do it.
So here we go.
Ooh, that's like a big spiky line. I like that. Ooh, that was cool. Can I try that? Okay, let's see this. Ready? Boom.
You know, I got a Sonic mug from Christmas,
You did get a cool Sonic mug, you're right.
and it looks like it. I mean, yours looks better.
It does kind of look like that. So those are kind of like zigzag lines for his kind of head.
Then his ears are like rectangles, but
Rectangles or
sharper.
triangles?
Triangles. I always get
That's
the
okay.
different spell.
Okay, so little triangles up here for his ears. There we go. Awesome. I like that. Ooh, he kind of looks like Sonic already. What
Body.
now? Body time.
So you can make the arms whatever one you want.
Okay, what are we going to start with? Body or arms? Ooh, is that his little belly? Yep.
And then
Okay.
comes like a light, like you know.
Oh, you're right. Oh, I like how you did that. Okay, so it's got kind of a loop on there.
That's perfect.
And then another one that kind of goes and connects on there. I went a little far.
That's
But that's
actually
okay.
pretty good.
I went a little far.
That's
That's
actually
okay.
pretty good.
I like that one. Thanks. Sometimes you make fun of my Sonics because they're not as good as yours, right? But you practice a lot. And there's this little belly, little highlight on there. All right, what next?
All right. Tail.
Ooh, his little tail.
He gets a little one.
He does have a little like spiked tail. You're right.
All right. Arms. Make it whatever one you want.
Okay.
I don't care.
All right.
You can make it whatever one you want. I'm gonna do mine like I do every time.
Ooh, I like that one. Okay, slow down. Okay, so his arm, you can kind of go out and then in, right?
I told
And
you
then-
you can do it which one you ever want.
Oh, and then you got a little like bump on there for his
I mean,
fist,
he wears
right?
gloves.
Yep. Okay, what's the next one?
All right, what you do, you can make the arms whatever you want. You can make it like with a 1
Yeah, I
or,
like these.
or
How
a
you do that?
2, or like I make mine what I do. I do 2 fingers up like he's doing 2.
Oh yeah. Let's put this arm going up and up, and then he's got his little gloves. Kind of go around, and then his little fists.
And
And
then
it's kind of like a bunch of little
and then there's
bumpy
a
lines.
bigger spiker. Like there's a bigger spiker, like you see like where we did the tail 1st. Like there's a bigger spike.
All right. Okay, what do we got to do now?
So these are the last 2.
All right, legs.
Legs, feet.
Okay, legs and feet. How are we gonna do that?
You can make it whichever one you want.
Okay, 2 lines. Looks cool. Cool. So kind of 1, 2, and then 1 and 2. Cool.
All right. Time for
Hey, get your head out of the camera.
the part of it.
Okay, so that's his little shoes. Oh, yeah, he's got like little socks on here that kind of loop around. Loop around.
Yeah. Really, a lot of times that's really good.
And then his feet kind of go down and out.
And then,
Down and out. And then it comes back.
do?
Ooh, I like that.
But-
Oh, he's got to have stripes on his shoes. Let's put some stripes.
This is the last step of making Sonic.
Oh, I like that.
Yep, I'm making Sonic.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, one thing.
Yeah, Connor, that looks awesome. Ooh, a little highlight on there. Okay, now can we go over in Sharpie? Let's do it super
Yes.
duper fast forward. All right, guys, we got the Sharpie gone over. They look awesome and fantastic. He used like a little marker. I got a Sharpie. Any black marker will do. And now we are going to add some color. So let's go through that super fast, just like Sonic is super duper fast.
That's like.
You guys ready to see him? Bam!
It's like an explosion. When
It
you
is
say
like
down.
it is like a little explosion on the Connor, what's your favorite part of my picture?
The one thing you done is like the rings are like better and the tree looks better.
Ooh, I like that. You know what my favorite part of yours is? The little crab guy here. Cool. I like that. So thank you guys for viewing. As always, I am Mr. Shooty.
The artist.
Yes, the artist. And this is my son's Connor. We will talk to you
And
guys.
I rate the words.
And you make the words. And we will talk to you guys later.